Hi dears, how are you? I think you all enjoyed the previous stories. Today also I have another story for you. Geese and the tortoise. Goose means duck. Geese means plural. Here we have two ducks and one tortoise. So the name of the story is Geese and the Tortoise. Shall we see the story? Before that, if you have not subscribed the channel, subscribe it. Come, we will go to the story. Once near a river, there lived three friends, two geese and one tortoise. The name of the geese were Sam and Tom, and the tortoise name was Tutu. They three were thick friends. They will play together, dance together, sing together, and swim together. They used to tell stories to each other. Days went on happily. They were very much happy and they did everything together. They won't leave one for anything. Once Sam and Tom were swimming. They called Tutu also. Come, come, come. We three will swim together. They happily were swimming. They were singing song. La 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 la. Like that. And they enjoyed the days. They have never seen problems so far. Days went on. After some time, there was a heavy drought. The river water got dried. Few animals and birds died out of thirstiness. These friends don't know what to do. They have never faced such a situation. They became so sad. They sat together for a discussion. What to do? We have to see for water in the nearby places. They checked in the nearby pond, lake, and river. They cannot find water anywhere. Sam and Tom told, we have to go to a distant place and then only we can find a lake full of water. Shall we do? Tutu asked, am I not your friend? Why have you taken such a decision? You can easily fly and go. How can I walk with my feet slowly and come? How can I climb the mountain hills? Don't worry, Tutu, Sam and Tom told. We will come up with an idea. Suddenly, Tutu got an idea. It asked Sam and Tom to bring a strong stick. They went and brought a strong stick. Tutu told, I will catch the stick with my teeth in the middle, and you both catch the ends of the stick with your beaks. We can fly together and go off. How is my idea? It asked. They told, okay, it will work out. But one thing to do, you should not be so much curious to talk something in the middle. If you open your mouth to talk, then you will fall down and you will die. Tutu told, I am not a foolish. I won't open my mouth. I will be cautious. Don't worry. I won't talk at any cost. So they agreed. So Tutu catched in the middle and Sam and Tom catched the stick at the ends. They were flying over mountain hills, valleys, and some villages. Once, when they crossed a town, some men and women and children from the town they came out of their houses and they watched the scenery strangely. Children were clapping their hands and shouting out of excitement. They were very much happy to see the scenery. They called all their friends and neighbors to watch this. They were shouting with happiness. Tutu was very curious to know why these children are clapping at us. What is the reason? So it thought of opening its mouth to ask Sam and Tom what is the reason behind the children clapping hands. So when it opened its mouth, it fell down, got crashed and died. So sad. So even though Sam and Tom told that it should be precautious, it should not open its mouth at any cost, it forgot all those things while it was in excitement. So sad, the tortoise died. So don't be so much excited and don't be so much curious to know anything. Be patientful at any situation. This is the end of the story. Did you all like this? If you all have liked this, please share to your friends. I will meet you tomorrow with another story. Bye bye. Take care.